Cabin crew, prepare the manual safety briefing. Demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft, and your attention is essential as these may differ from any aircraft you've flown on before. Please study the safety card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type, such as the brace position and location and operation of the doors. In the event of an emergency, low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now. Please take a moment to locate your nearest exit, bearing in mind this may be behind you. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slide, and high-heeled shoes must be taken off as they may tear the slide. Please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. It must be worn whenever the signs are on, and it is fastened and adjusted like this, and opened like this. For your comfort and safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided. Oxygen masks like this will appear automatically. If you're wearing a face mask, this should be removed before putting on an oxygen mask. Stay in your seat and pull the oxygen mask towards you. Place the oxygen mask over your mouth and nose and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note that the bag may not inflate and you may need to pull on a coloured streamer to release your mask. Make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else. Your life jacket is underneath or beside your seat. If required, remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The air can be topped up using this mouthpiece. There is a whistle and a light for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Any personal devices in flight safe mode should have this feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your luggage for takeoff and landing. Take care your device does not get lost within your seat. If it does, please don't move the seat, but let one of your cabin crew know. Devices must be switched off and disconnected from the seat power socket when not being used in flight. Please ensure your hand baggage does not block the aisles or exits. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Place items in the locker carefully as they may fall out and injure someone. In the case of an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Ensure that your seat is now upright and in the takeoff position with the armrest down and the table folded away. Window blinds must now be open in preparation for takeoff. Smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices, is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew.
seats for takeoff, please. special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May we remind you to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated. They must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices, is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the trawlers which are fitted with smoke detectors. To connect to join the BA Wi-Fi, visit shop.ba.com to discover the prices and packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers, and please note video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. In-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs have been switched on. In a few moments' time we will be starting our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, then please contact a member of the cabin crew. For those of you seated in front of you, we'll be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar, and if you're a traveller, we will be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will then be followed by pre-purchased items from our Speedbird cafe. We invite you now to make yourself at home and enjoy our hospitality, and if there's anything that we can do to make your short journey any more comfortable, then please do let one of us know.